The world better prepare for when I'm
METATERRY. What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, there is a lot to go over in today's video, so let's just get to it. All right, so first, MMTLP was down 2.75%, and currently looking at the futures for tomorrow. S&P futures are up 4 points. The Dow futures is up 18 points. The NASDAQ's up 25 points, and the Russell is up 2 points. So the markets are currently green. We'll see if that holds. Like I said, MMTLP today was very close to the average volume. Our average volume, 753,000. We traded 740,000 in volume. All right, first things first. Guys, this post here, you heard it straight from the horse's mouth at John Berta. We got the Berta we trust. I had to put that back there for today's video. Guys, the S-1A4 came out today, and we have more revisions. And here's what John Berta had to say. In order to use the S1 for the spin out, the financials have to be current. Since Mmat filed their Q, the financials pro formas for Nextbridge need to be brought forward. Be cautious to read any more into it. That is all. So basically, if anyone out there is trying to spread FUD, trying to spread any kind of crap, don't listen to it, guys. Who are you going to listen to? Some guy behind the keyboard? Or are you going to listen to John Berta, the former CEO of Torchlight Energy, which is the MMTLP Nextbridge? So just got to think about that. If you're questioning yourself with the keyboard warrior, who are you going to listen to? The keyboard warrior or John Berta? Like I said, the former CEO of Torchlight Energy. All right, continuing on here. Our buddy Market Moose Tony here says he just did a diff on the S-1A4 to 3. The only thing he see changed, now we have 9 months of financial data compared to number 3 had 6 months of financial data, probably because the SEC took such a long time. And Tony Market Moose agrees with John Berta that if you're looking into it, it's just too much more than that. All right, some quick news here. MetaMaterial News posted today. Bullish news, the S1 only needs an update on the MetaMaterials financials. This means everything else documented in the S1 is good for approval, which that is amazing. That's exactly what we want to see. All right, so a little bit of the volume here lately has died down, but I'm going to suspect the volume is going to be picking back up here very shortly. When this S-1A4, 5 gets approved and we get those dates filled in and we get the new record date, and it's going to be exciting times. And here's the short report for yesterday, November 8th. There was 478,000 shares traded, and there was short 195,000 shares, which is 40% short, guys. Taking a look here at the iBorrow desk for MMTLP. Only 500 shares available left, guys. That's right. 500 shares available at a 32.1% fee. They're basically out. As you can see here throughout the day, I mean, yesterday we ended the video at 20,000. It went down to 9,000, 8,000, and then 500. So, yeah. The shorts are going to be in trouble, man, and I love it. There's just, guys, a lot of the people who hold this, there's no one selling it. There's just no one turning this over. No one wants to get rid of it. All right. My next play as a hedge in this market. There's a lot of craziness going on with the cryptocurrencies. Some companies are putting out bad earnings. I've been posting Michael Kramer's charts now for a while on my Twitter. I talk about them occasionally in my video, but I really wanted to highlight this for you because we're getting close. He has this chart here, guys, of the VIX, the 2022 versus the VIX of the 2008. And as you see here, the VIX in the white is the 2022. The blue is from the 2008. As you can see, it's been following very similar. Now, do I believe that this can spike up as high as it has? I don't know. It's going to take something drastic. Now, with these crypto brokerages going under, FTX, and everything going on, I don't know if it'll go that high, but I'm going to show you a play that I did today. Following this chart, I'm planning on holding this for a while, for a few months, to see what happens in case something crazy happens. I got a hedge in the market. That's right. So I bought ticker symbol UVXY. Now this one isn't the CBOE, which is like, you know, technically the VIX, but this one is very similar to the CBOE. And the UVXY can spike up very high as well. As you can see, back here in March, it was up to $22. It dips back down. It goes back up here like to $18. And it's been on this downtrend here. Back in June, it was almost $17, $18. It dipped down here to $9. And it's just been kind of slowly working its way up, dipping back down. So I picked up shares in the $9.90 price today, like $9.97, $9.95. I picked up shares. So I plan on holding this for the next few months as a hedge. And if this spikes up to like $13 to $15, I'm going to sell off a little bit of my shares. And if it goes up to 17 to 20, I'm going to sell off probably the majority of the shares. Because I plan on seeing this as a hedge. If this spikes up in any significant way, I'll be taking profits along the way. So put this on your watch list. Do a little research on what it is. The ticker symbol UVXY. All right. Now over here to MetaMaterials. What a day. So I don't know what happened here, guys. I don't know if it's just the market. I think it's just the overall market. I see a lot of stocks that are red all over. All the stocks I'm following are red all over. MetaMaterials came out with earnings here today, and we're going to go over that as well. So here you can see during the regular trading hours down almost 11%, 10.9%, and after hours down about 5.76%. Here you can see the average volume 7.5 million, and we traded 7.95 million, so very close to the volume. Here you can see MetaMaterial, my buddy Wedge posted here, we are now, compliance is now official. Congrats to Meta and all the shareholders. And here is the screen grab from the filing there that says on November 9th, the company received a letter from NASDAQ indicating that it determined that because of closing the bid price, the common stock was greater than $1 for previous 10 consecutive trading days. The company is now in full compliance with the bid price rule. According to the company, has regained full compliance and the matter is now closed. That is music to our ears. So congrats on that. Like I said, we had that compliance day where I went in and bought some shares, and I bought them at $1.60, and here it is at $1.30. Guys, it doesn't make a difference if I'm buying at $1.60, if I'm buying at $1.30, if I'm buying at $1. To me, this is a long-term hold. Give them the next couple of years to do what they need to do, guys. That's what George has mentioned before. It's going to be interesting times. Now, let's take a look here at the revenue. This is pretty good. I'm pretty excited about it. MetaMaterials Q3 revenue is $2.4 million, up 320% year over year. And last year's revenue was $572,000. So up 320% in revenue, guys. And I think that number is going to grow even bigger as the time goes by, because George and them's going to have the nanotech stuff going on. The nano web and all that, man, it's going to be exciting times what they got going on. I'm excited shareholder. Like I said, this is a long-term hold. If we get a short squeeze, hey, we'll take it. If not, I'm okay with holding this, man. I'm just going to keep buying, whether the stock's going up, whether the stock's going down. As I get money, I will keep investing. All right. I wanted to share this today. Penny stocks today here traded, tweeted, I believe it was yesterday, actually. Yeah. Or no, actually, it was early this morning. MAT recent dip was an opportunity to add. I love that. This Twitter here, guys, at Penny Stocks today has almost 7,000 followers. And they put here, the recent dip was an opportunity to add as the CEO shared a partnership with LG. Still waiting on Nextbridge S-1 to become effective for a run past 2. We'll add more if the 200 MA support keeps holding. So has a chart here. And if this holds, which it dropped back down, so it's not holding as of right now because it dropped like 15, 16% today overall. But I believe when the S1 comes out and it actually is approved, let's just say both stocks are going to be running again. Right now we're in this, like I said, scary market. That's why I wanted to buy that ticker symbol UVXY. All right, so, and I wanted to end here where I talked about this in yesterday's video. I retweeted this tweet that Gardner Wade posted, and he deleted a tweet. But big shout out here to Dylan on the MetaMaterials Facebook group. He has a screenshot of it, and that's what it was. 10 days, thank you for your support, and has the cheers gif right there, and he deleted that tweet. So that's the tweet that I was missing in yesterday's video, so thank you to Dylan for sharing that in the Facebook group. But that's what it was. So, like I said, pretty much got everything covered, guys. Not much more to go on here. Like I said, exciting times ahead. And just waiting on that S-1A4 now to be officially approved. We need those distribution date, the record date. We need all that. And we're waiting on, I believe it's November 17th for the Halifax grand opening there. And that's going to be exciting stuff. I can't wait to see what George is going to announce. So, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. And I'll catch you all next video, guys. Peace.